Hello TMS English students. This video is to show you how to get onto IXL, specifically the diagnostic portion of IXL, because that is what we want you to work on for the week of April 13th. Just to give you a little background knowledge, the diagnostic assessment is basically like a pre-assessment. It just lets us know what you know right now. So you're going to have questions that deal with writing, language arts, English, reading comprehension, grammar, mechanics, and vocabulary. You're going to get some questions right, you're going to get some questions wrong. And what the diagnostic is doing is it's pinpointing where you are on a scale for each of these skills. And with this information, we get a personalized action plan that we are going to be using for quarter 4. So let's get started with the steps. To get to IXL, you simply put in IXL.com into the search bar, and it's going to bring you here. Your teacher will send you your login credentials, and you'll put in your information, and you'll click sign in, and you will come to most likely this page. Unless you've already been working on IXL, it might bring you to a learning recommendation page, which should look like this. So, either way, whether you come up to the recommendation page or the other start page, we are going to be focusing on the diagnostic page, and that is the second option here. You're just going to click that, and it's going to take you to the diagnostic arena. Then you're going to come down here. You're going to click step into the arena. Now, when I first got started and I clicked step into the arena, it wanted me to start on math problems, and that's not what we're focusing on. So if that does happen with you, you're going to come up here to this little drop down arrow here, and you're going to select language arts. You might have to do that the first couple of times that you work on it. You just got to do it. And here it's still giving me math problems. So I'm going to go back up here and click language arts. And then finally, it will bring me to a language arts question. When you begin the diagnostic and at various points throughout, it will give you an option to choose which question you want to answer, and you simply choose one. Throughout the diagnostic, a message like this will pop up telling you that you're narrowing down on the level. So just keep working. This is what the diagnostics arena looks like as you work through the questions. You're not done working until the stars are completely filled in. This message means you have completed a diagnostic for a certain skill. And if you go back to the diagnostic arena, you can see that the star is filled in. When you have completed the entire diagnostic, your arena will look like this on a computer or this on an iPad. Keep in mind your teacher may ask you to revisit the diagnostic every now and then in order to see if IXL practice is helping you. Finally, during quarter 4, your teacher will ask you to work on the learning recommendations given to you based on your diagnostic results. Your learning recommendations can be found when you click on the Learning tab at the top of IXL.com. If you have any questions about any of this, just email your teacher.